Maaalala natin that mutual funds are a way to invest in stocks, bonds, and money markets without actually buying these products yourself. May fund manager na namamahala sa pera mo at inilalagay ito sa iba't ibang investment. Ang insurance naman, mahalaga kasi naguhulog tayo ng premium regularly para may makuha ang ating pamilya kung sakaling may mangyari sa atin. But aside from being protection, some insurance packages can actually generate income. Ibig sabihin, may insurance ka na, may kita ka pa. Ito yung mga tinatawag na insurance na Variable Unit Link or VUL. Ito yung mga nababalitaan nating insurance na may kahalong investment component. Sounds complicated? Relax. Here's how it works. Insurance plus mutual funds equals VUL. Kapag may insurance plan ka, ibig sabihin may hinuhulugan kang pondo. Ngayon, kapag yung insurance plan na kinuha mo ay VUL, that means a portion of your payment is being invested by the insurance company in stocks, bonds, or other products. Just like a mutual fund. At ang insurance company ang tumatayong fund manager mo. Ang kagandahan nito, para na siyang value meal. Isa lang ang babayaran mo at automatic nang makahati ito sa insurance at investments. And over time, kumikita ng kusa ang investment mo. So kung bibili ka na rin lang ng insurance, may option kang idagdag na rin yung investment mo in the form of a VUL.